Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add money to your Amazon Pay balance. First, before we start, make sure to check out all the tools and helpful links right below this video. Alright, first go to Amazon and log into your account. Once you are in, you need to access Amazon Pay. Here's the option, click on it. Once you open Amazon Pay, then the dashboard will look something like this. Now click on Amazon Pay balance at the top left. Here you can see Amazon Pay balance. Next, enter the amount you want to add in this box. You can start from 100 or your local currency equivalent. Then click on add money to wallet here. Now choose your payment method. You can use debit cards, UPI apps, or add an Amazon Pay UPI ID. To view all options, click show more ways to pay here and you can find many more options. Once you have selected your payment method, click place order and pay. You might also need to access or verify. After verifying, you will receive a message like this: money added to Amazon Pay wallet successfully. And that's it. The amount will be added to your Amazon Pay balance instantly or within a few minutes. It may take some time sometimes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe and check out our next video for more Amazon tips.